My name's Paddy Springford from Tether, and let's talk about installing your Hotdrops. First off, you need to take your gateway, attach the antenna, scan the QR code on the back, and then plug it in. This is what will provide signal to your Hotdrops so they can transmit the data. To set up your Hotdrops, you take the antenna and screw it into the device. Next up, you need to create your energy map. Our platform allows you to create a parent-child structure so you can see the energy hierarchy and how it's distributed through the building. To get started, you go into the Areas tab and select Energy. Once we begin, you need to add a top-level parent location. This is usually your incoming mains. You can add multiple mains locations if you have multiple sources, like solar as well. For this example, let's select mains as our type and give it a label. We also have the ability to tag, which I'll talk about later. From the mains, you can add child locations, like a distribution board. So let's add a board as an example. Within that board, you may have a lighting circuit. So let's create a lighting circuit and tag this one. Tagging allows you to report on asset-specific energy consumption. So say you want to understand how much energy is consumed by the building's lighting or HVAC, then you want to create a tag and then tag it with that option. Okay, let's add one more child just to finish off the map. Now you can see the hierarchy of where the energy is going. You can also build out your energy map via the desktop platform if you want to have everything mapped out before installation. Now you know how to build your energy map. I'm now going to walk you through how to install the Hotdrops. Let's add a Hotdrop to the mains. You have the option of single or multi-phase. I will add the mains as a single, assign Hotdrops to the different phases. Once you've added the Hotdrop, clip the Hotdrop onto the circuit that you want to monitor. Make sure it is fully clipped on and check for 2 flashing lights. This can sometimes take up to 5 minutes. This indicates that live power has been detected and the Hotdrop is charging. Allow for up to 60 minutes to charge up completely and connect to the network. If you have a multi-phase, hit the toggle here and you'll be able to assign Hotdrops to the different phases. What you can see here is we have a single phase on the mains and lighting and multiple phases on the heating. If you have any issues, reach out to us on 09 870 1801. And our friendly team can help you. Thanks for listening, and thanks for choosing Tether.